How to create a horizontal waterfall chart in Excel for year-over-year growth. Create chart from selection. Search for horizontal waterfall chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Horizontal waterfall chart is successfully created. Horizontal waterfall chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a horizontal waterfall chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a horizontal waterfall chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: horizontal waterfall chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. This is an example of Don't Float Totals. This is an example of Float Totals. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Set as Total section. To make the totals float, slide the Set as Total button to left. Click on the Apply All button. To make the totals don't float, slide the Set as Total button to right. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box Color section. You can set the color of all boxes. Click on the Bar Label section. You can append $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.